over here. Yeah. That. My goodness, I sat there and waited on this guy for 10 minutes. Finally, give me a shot. They're freezing. That's a good one. Nice. Big old young female. It's one on the day, guys. One on the day. Give him a kiss. There you go. See? Oh, how cute. Come on, Gainz. I dare you. Got it. Oh. That was neat. Got him? Yeah, good. 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 Oh, big blood trail. Big blood trail. Yeah. Back. Back. Wow. Big old male. Oh boy. Turned out to be a good day. That's 2, baby. Oh, 2 Gainz on the day. Nice. Well, he's up this little tree right here. He didn't have nowhere to go. Alright. Out. This one's across the creek. We're going to try to snipe him. We sniped him. We sniped him. Ooh, I won't get wet feet today. Gotta get him for the dog. Yeah. That was an on our own deal there, Scoot. You got figured out yet? There he is. There he is. See? By golly, we can do this too. Yeah. Find him too, boy. He was just sitting there in that old hedge tree. That's all mare across that creek. Voila. Gain number 3. Oh! Good. Good boy. Good boy to stay on him. Hey, here, drop him. Drop him. Good job. Drop him. Drop him. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Guys, I was coming up here. Oh, that's a nice one. Another big one. And my gosh, I saw one of the biggest buck rubs I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. Son of a gun was trying to cut the tree down. Pretty good sized tree. It used to be anyway. Anyway, that was cool. Oh yeah. You just giving him a kiss. You just want to give him a kiss. That's so cute. 4 on the day, guys. 4 Gainz. Think you're hidden. Got you. Got you. Come on. Get off of him. Get off of him. Boy. Here. Here. Good job. Here. Oh boy. Well, guys. Number 1 on the day. So great. Sit down. Alright, kids. I know. Hoorah, baby! Yeah! enough. Drop him. Drop it. Drop him. Good job. Good job. All right. That's a good one. Well, we have weight on him a little bit. Nice young male. Oh, man. Okay. The Gainz keeps coming. Got it. Boy. Yeah. Bring him here. Here. Good job. Good job. Come on. Get another one.